let's begin. And you may receive the whole scooter, and now you see they are separately. You should remove the folding part and the carry handle and the black plastic corner. And now we will start the put the battery in it. Install the battery now. Okay, let's begin. Okay, you can see we are putting the battery under the pedal. Okay, you should take care of the wires. And now is the front bracket. Yeah, the controller is inside. Take care of it. You should deal with these wires. Oh, this is the wire of the light. You should put it inside and then get through of this hole. Okay. Okay. Then you see the red one and the yellow one.
这样装法是错误的，不要装这个口，是往走里面这个的。跟他说啊，没跟他说嘛。
Oh, you should put the wire of the red and yellow one through this hole, not this hole. Please take care. You need to pay attention on it. Okay, we can pull it out, but take care. Okay. Now let's connect them. Yeah, red to red and yellow to yellow. Okay. Okay, this wire. Get through of the handlebar. And connect the connectors. Oh, you can see the remarks. Take care of it. You can see it. Okay, let's do it. Okay. The next step, install the handlebar carry bar.
这不管了，你看走线的时候呢，这里不要卡住了。这线往这边压进去。
Here you need to pay attention on it, for there are too many wires, so you need to put these wires inside it, and now you can install it smoothly. Okay,
然
let's
后
go
头
for
上
it.
螺丝拧紧就可以了。
Okay, then fix them.
螺丝拧紧就可以了。
Fix these screws.
再说一下就好了。过，下去，到这边，这个塞进去。先这个往里塞，这就可以塞进去。然后
这个可以了哈。
对，这个呢，等一下我还要接过的，先不管它吧。你看塞进去以后，这个线你就跟他讲一下，你让他依着这个头接好，其他不用管它的。
这已经接好了吗？
没接好，就依着，就是说它这个线跟那个线不一样的，就是有多大多少都一样的，然后直接按照这个接好了，然后这根是两根线啊，这两根线一模一样的，是备用线，就是说有一根坏了，然后这两根线是一样的，这两根线。
Okay, there are two wires, but you need one for it, and this one is for spare parts.
接好，然后直接那个接好以后是吧？然后这根线就按照这个孔，这根线按照这个孔。
And this one
放过去。
will go through. Put it inside and get through of it.
这里接上就可以。
Connect the connectors.
这里接上就好了，接上去就好了。